Hello. Hi, is this Juhi?
Yeah.
Hi, Juhi. This is Ashwarya. I'm calling from Teach for India.
Oh, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. Do you have a
Yeah.
couple of minutes to chat with me?
Yes, yes, for sure.
Oh, perfect. Great. Uh, Thank you, Juhi. It's so nice to meet you virtually, but my name's Ashwarya. I will
Okay.
currently be your point of contact given that you've been accepted for the fellowship. Congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. How are you feeling about it?
Yeah. Great. Actually, I'm excited. Looking forward to coming on the activities and institute training and everything.
Oh, that's perfect. Great. So I'm going
Yeah.
to use this call today to just to get to know you a little bit better. Uh,
Yeah.
Happy to align on a few things that you're concerned about. Want a little clarity on a few things that from my end. So hope that's okay with you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect. Great, Juhi. So yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself and tell me what inspired you to apply for the fellowship.
So it was I had two experiences where I actually I was with children, so not like so they were only nursery kids, but still you could see the issue going on and there it's very difficult to see it and to realize something that when I can give them something like whatever I have, I don't want
Yeah,
to keep it to myself. I don't want to limit it.
for
Like
sure.
it is out there and I can just put it. Like I can make the education come to them easy instead of having the access of hard way to them. So yeah,
Absolutely.
the power of giving is what inspired me. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't want to keep it to myself and something that I can give to them and
Absolutely.
probably do better for the nation as well.
Oh,
So yeah, that was
100%.
something that inspired me.
100%. No, thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
I'm happy to hear that you've actually worked with kids and have got to engage
Yeah.
with them and have actually understood what it's like to be in classroom and work with education
Yeah.
in whatever capacity, limited capacity. But that's wonderful. Thank you
Yeah.
for sharing that. Uh, about
Yeah.
the fellowship in specific, now that you've been accepted, um,
Yeah.
the first question was I was actually wanting to know that having gone through the selection process and having understood the process slightly better, I'm assuming. Uh,
Hmm.
what are the new things that you've learned about the fellowship that you're excited about? Is there something that you thought was different during the selection process? Is there something new that you learned and that's making you exciting apart from what you already knew, the skeleton structure of the fellowship?
I didn't get you like what your voice was getting cut, so I just heard a little bit of the
Oh,
selection
yeah,
process that you were talking about. Yeah. Can
right.
you just repeat it?
Yeah, sure, happy to. So what I'm asking is that, of course, I think during recruitment you would have spoken to someone, right? Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
who'd briefed you a little bit about the fellowship program and had helped you build a certain knowledge about what we're doing. My
Yeah.
question is, having gone through the selection process and having worked in the assessment center space as well, was there
Hmm.
something new that you learned, or was there something extremely exciting that affirmed your belief in the work we're doing? So share something along those lines.
Okay. So first of all, it was exciting every time I was there, like every minute of it. I would say it was exciting. It was a bit of nervousness was there around, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, there was more of excitement that was around everyone, not only me, but even the people I met that day. And
Yeah,
it was really good. Like we share experiences, whatever where we came from and everything.
yeah.
And also the process, yeah, I mean, you always have that nervousness when you are about to perform something.
Mm-hmm.
But once I was there, I was happy and I was pretty much confident that I can do it. And so and the positivity that brought me was through the people over there. That was
Lovely.
one thing. So,
Yeah,
I mean, the team that we had that day, there's three people and also another person that we had.
yeah.
So, all of them together sent so much positivity into us
Mm-hmm.
is what actually made an impact on me.
Yeah,
And it was pretty much smooth and very, very friendly. And they didn't even let us feel that tense and nervous about it.
yeah,
So it was pretty much cool and easy to it. The
yeah.
smooth process. Yeah.
Right. No, that's
Yeah.
great. I think that's such a beautiful takeaway, right? Because
Yeah.
it's a microcosm of what our ecosystem actually thrives on. We're a very close-knit community. We keep community in the center of our operations. So I think it's great that you got a peek into it before you were actually offered. So that's wonderful. That's great. Uh, are you excited to enter a classroom and work with kids?
Yes, totally. Yes, 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 totally.
Oh, wonderful. Great. So you're graduating from HR, right?
Yes, yes.
And what did you study there?
I studied BCom and I've also done advanced diploma in travel and tourism through HR itself.
Right, right. That's great.
Yeah,
So if I were, and I know it's a really heavy question, so feel free to
yeah.
respond it as you think you are at the present, but um, what do you want to get out of the fellowship? Like, what are your plans to get out of this fellowship for your personal development for the next 2 years? Have you thought about that?
As in what I'm expecting to get out of
Yeah,
myself
so
in that kind of
somewhere maybe along the lines of what you want to do after the fellowship. Are there skills that you're
okay,
looking to build through the fellowship?
okay, okay. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure that it's going to be a life-changing experience because I've heard a lot about it and I've seen in people is what I would say.
Yeah.
And that would be like the personal development side of it. And
Mm-hmm.
also speaking about what next plans, it would be working in the same sector.
Yeah.
I would love to work in the teaching sector itself
Oh, great.
and something to do with the NGO part and probably Teach for India.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
hope so. Like I really hope so. I look forward to it.
yeah.
But yeah, that's the plan.
That's great, Juhi.
You
No,
know?
that's
Yeah,
wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. I
yeah,
think it's a great place to start. Uh, of
yeah,
course,
yeah,
like I'm sure you already know about it, but if you don't, Teach for India does open
yeah,
this space for fellows after the 2 years to enter
yeah,
our own
yeah,
organization in different capacities. And
yeah,
like I said, it opens places for other NGOs as well. So if you feel like you want to
yeah,
diversify into something else,
yeah,
you can head there. So that's beautiful. No, thanks for sharing that. Are you looking to get a master's sometimes in the future, or is that something you want to wait till you get enough work experience?
not really. Like I haven't thought about that right now. Like
Mm-hmm.
I really want to work in this sector itself, so I'm not looking into doing masters or anything as such.
Okay.
Like not yet. I haven't thought about it yet.
Right, right.
So yeah,
Okay, that's great.
yeah,
Because I think with either prospects, with no masters or masters, I think the critical point is that you're going to have a diverse amount of people around you
yeah,
at institute and
yeah,
during the fellowship. So
yeah,
I
yeah,
think for your personal development, it can be of value to think and invest in your own personal development with networking with people and speaking to
yeah,
people. So if you feel like you're edging towards one side of the development sector, then you can actually get connected with so many people working in those areas and understanding how they
exactly.
used the fellowship to sort of further
Yeah,
their movement. Okay, no, that's great. That's wonderful. Uh,
yeah,
is your family happy with this offer?
totally. They're very happy with it. Yeah,
Really, that's wonderful to hear, like parents are sometimes wary of people actually diverging
yeah,
into the for not-for-profit
exactly.
sector,
Yeah, true, that's true. Yeah.
but they're good with it.
Sorry.
They're happy with it then.
Yeah, yeah, they're very happy with it.
Oh, that's perfect. Great.
Yeah,
Yeah, so no, thank you for speaking with me today. I think I got such an insight of who you are and what you're looking to
yeah.
do for the fellowship. I'm your official point of contact, so feel
Okay.
free to let me know anything that you need support with. Uh, to
Okay,
understand
for
that a
sure.
little bit better, is it anything that's making you nervous? Are you apprehensive about anything?
Not really. I'm just excited and obviously I'm nervous, but I'm looking forward to it
Yeah,
in a very
yeah.
get a good hope kind of thing. Yeah.
Okay, that'll be perfect. Great. So we have a few people at Mumbai who are going to be doing a few events or just meetups or webinars. So if there's
Okay.
anything that's coming your way, we'll send you invites. So keep a lookout for that because I think it can be
Okay. Yeah.
interesting for you to interact with people who are going to be a part of your cohort from a month or two now, right?
Yes.
So I think that can be exciting. And feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions at all. And yeah, let's
Okay.
get connected soon. So I'll give you a call in the next 10 to 12 days just to check up on you and see if
Yeah, for
you're
sure. But also I wanted to let you know that I'm going out on 8th,
okay.
and so I'm going to check. So I'll be out of network. So there's no
Okay.
network over there. So I'll
Okay.
be back
Right.
So like
So you're out for 10
I won't be
days?
here. Yeah, I'm out for those 10
Okay.
days.
Okay. No, thanks for letting me
Yeah,
know.
no problem, no problem at all.
All right, perfect. It was such a pleasure speaking with you. So I'll call you on the 6th or
Same
the
here.
7th then just before you leave to see how you're
All
doing,
right.
and then we can close the
Yeah,
chat and meet again then.
yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Also, the selection prepare, I mean the offer letter, I'll be doing it today itself. Like I'll be uploading it today itself.
Okay.
And what will be the next step towards it?
So once you upload the offer letter, like I said, that is the first official confirmation we get from you. So
Yeah.
that's your official onboarding with us. Given that the institute will be a month away, like I said, I think people at Mumbai who are, because I'm currently operating out of Mumbai, so I would have loved
Yeah.
to meet you. But if you want to interact with someone from the city team, we have recruiters,
Okay.
people, city members available in the office. So let me know if we can arrange a meeting with them, someone you're interested to talk
Okay.
to. Or if not,
Okay.
then there are formal events that will happen for the larger cohort that's going into institute from Mumbai or to Mumbai. Uh,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
we'll send you invites for those. And then I think around, it's a week or 10 days before, you're going to get
Okay.
the formal HR formalities that you have to send. So make sure your Aadhaar card and like stuff like that, the few logistics
Everything
are
is
in
done.
order.
All of the formalities.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So that's the rough
Okay.
timeline, and I'll get in touch with you with any specifics that I feel that you should know.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. For sure. For sure. It was
perfect,
really nice
Juhi.
talking to you.
Yeah, it was a
Thank
pleasure
you.
speaking with you. I'll get connected to you
Yeah.
again.
Yeah. Yeah. For
All right,
sure.
thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.